Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. My name is Pratik Thengne, and my today's technical topic is object-oriented programming in Java. And today's date is 23 April 2025. So, Java is the most popular programming language, which is worked on OOPS concept, which means it is based on OOPS model. In Java, there are in OOPS there are four pillars, which are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So we can make our code reusable with the help of OOPS concept. It makes our code cleaner and clear. So the four pillars are in the first pillar is encapsulation. In encapsulation, the implementation, the internal details are kept hidden from the user, and it is useful for data security purpose. We can take an example of medical pills. In medical pills, we don't know what ingredients are present in that pill, but we know what it does in our body. So encapsulation is just like that. We don't know what internal implementation details are there, but we can know that what it will do, which what work it will perform. So we can achieve encapsulation using private variables, and we can view or modify the data using getter and setter methods. So then there is a inheritance. Inheritance means inheriting the properties of a parent class to the child class, which means child class or subclass can use the methods which are declared in parent class. There are various types of inheritance, such as multi-level, multiple hierarchical inheritance. Then there is polymorphism. Polymorphism means one thing in many forms, which means one thing can be performed in a different ways. There are two types of polymorphism. First one is method overloading, and then there is method overriding. In method overloading, uh, the in class the multiple methods are having a same name as same name but having different parameters, which means that method name will be same but parameters will be different, called as method overloading. It can be achieved using changing the number of arguments, changing the parameters. Then there is a method overriding, which means if subclass or a child class having the same method name which is declared in parent class, which means that if the method present in parent class and child class with the same name and with the same parameters will be known as method overriding. So there are some rules for method overriding, such as if the method is declared in parent class and in child class, it should have same name and it should have same parameter also. And then there should be a easy relationship between them. So that was all about polymorphism. Then the last one pillar is abstraction. Abstraction means uh, Abstraction means hiding the implementation details over complex details, such as very complex codes which user can't understand that codes. We can achieve with the help of abstraction. We will keep the implementation or complex details hidden from the user, and we will show only necessary details to the user, which means that we will show only user interface which is required for the user to use that app, and the implementation or complex details we will keep hidden from the user. We can take examples such as any app. If we can say that Instagram, we will show the user only user interface of the Instagram, which means he can scroll reels, he can comment, he can like the post, which means he can use the user interface, but he will not see what is in backend of that app, which means we will not show him what are the complex code which is based the Instagram is based on. We will show only the user interface to him. So that was about the abstract class. The abstract class can be achieved with the help of abstract classes and interfaces. In abstract keyword, using abstract keyword, we can achieve abstraction. Uh, so in abstraction, there is abstract method and there is a non-abstract method, which means there are two methods present. First one is abstract and second one is a non-abstract method. In abstract method, the implementation details and the complex code will not be present in the abstract method, which means there will be have no body. But in a non-abstract method, which means in non-abstract method the body will be present, which means the complex details such as complex code will be present in the non-abstract method. And in abstract method we will show only the user interface which is required for to use that app to the user. So that was all about OOPS concept. In conclusion, we can say that Java is based on OOPS concept. There are four pillars of OOPS concept: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. We can use these pillars to achieve OOPS concept, and we can make our code reusable, or we can make our program smart enough using OOPS concept. So that was all for today's video. We will meet in the next one. Thank you, ma'am.